Hi, I'm Anais from RadioKing. Today we're going to present the iRig Pre, a small device that allows you to connect a microphone with an XLR connector to any other device with a jack input. So, what's in this box? First of all, we have a small booklet that will help you do all of your editing as simply as possible. When we open the box, we'll find the small iRig device. There it is. Here's the 9-volt battery, which is included in the box, so that's pretty good. And then we also have a small Velcro cable tie that will allow you to hold the cables together properly. Right, so now let's look at how to set up the iRig on a smartphone. To do so, I have my microphone with my cable. I just need to plug my XLR cable to my microphone, and then I'll plug the other part of the cable here into my device, like so. For part 2, I'll simply connect the jack to my smartphone like this. Finally, if you want, you can also connect headphones that you simply plug into the iRig Pre, and off you go. And there you have it. You're now ready to record with the iRig. The iRig will allow you to record interviews thanks to your smartphone, and record shows away from your studio whilst keeping a professional sound. It can even be used as a mixing table to plug in a microphone to a computer. To find out more about the different uses, head over to our blog. See you soon on RadioKing.